In this video, the medicinal chemistry chapter is included the antifungal agent. Antifungal agent are the agent which relieves from fungal infection, and fungal infection basically caused by microscopic organism that can invade the epithelial tissues. This may be yeast, mold, rust, and mushrooms. Fungi, like animal, are heterotrophic. They obtain their nutrient from environment and not from endogenous sources like plants. Mostly the fungi are very useful, which are involved in biodegradation. However, some may cause infection at skin, through wounds, or into the lungs and nasal passage if we inhale them. Disease caused by fungi include superficial infection of skin by dermatophytes in Micromonospora, Trichophyton, or Epidermophyton genera. These dermophytic infection are named for site of infection, and the causative agent. These are dermophytic infections like Tinea corporis, Tinea pedis, Tinea crucis, Tinea capis, Tinea barbi, Tinea angumi, and these are the site where they cause infection, and these are the causative organisms. The infection may be systematic infection, and systematic infection caused basically by Coccidioma mycosis, histoplasmosis, Brazilian blastomycosis, and blastomycosis. And the causative agents are Coccidioma immutis, Histoplasma capsulatum, Paracoccidioiditis brasiliensis, and Blastomyces dermatitis. These are the geographical location they are present. Some systemic infections which are very related with cancer, HIV, and blood disease, immunodeficiency deficiencies, and diabetic patients are candidiasis, trust, vulvogenitis, which caused by Candida albicans, and they are present in GI tract and vagina. Second infection is cryptococcal meningitis. Cryptococcal meningitis, and the causative agents are Cryptococcus neoformans, and this may be caused through inhalation, and infection is at lungs or mainly CNS affects. Next infection like aspergillosis. These are caused by aspergillosis species, and their location is at lungs, brain, sinuses, and other organs. Another one infection, mucormycosis. Mucor species is the causative agent, and they are mainly present at sinuses, eyes, blood, and brain. Next infection is pneumocytist pneumonia. These are caused by pneumonia cytist carnati, and basically they are present at lungs. These are classification of antifungal agent. First is antibiotic. Examples are amphotericin B, nystatin, graciofulvin. Another category is triazoles. Examples: fluconazole, itaconazole, terconazole. Another category is imidazoles. These are the examples. Next category is fluorinated pyrimidines. Flucytosines is the example. Chitin synthetase inhibitor. Chitin is the basic. Chitin provides the rigidity to the fungal cell wall, and chitin synthetase inhibitors, for example, nicomycin Z. Peptides and proteins category, in this category, cis-pentacin. Example: miscellaneous cyclopyrox, tolnaftate, naftifine, terbinafine. These are the structures of various antifungal agent. Another classification is based on route of administration. Drug for subcutaneous and systemic mycosis are amphotericin, fluconazole, flucytosine, itraconazole, nicotinamide. Drug for superficial mycosis are clotrimazole, itaconazole, graciofulvin, etc. Here we can see the graciofulvin structure, and it can be synthesized by using 2-chloro-3,5-dimethoxyphenol when condensed with 4-chlorocarbonyl 3-methoxy-5-methyl-phenyl oxyacetate in presence of aluminum trichloride. We got the intermediate product, and after this we got our final product, graciofulvin. The mechanism of action of graciofulvin is it is mainly fungastatic drug, and that cause disruption of mitotic spindle by interacting with polymerized microtubules. The mainly we can see here the graciofulvin binds to turbulins of the fungal area, and here it inhibits the mitotic spindle formation of the fungal cell, and thus resulting into inhibition of separation of daughter nucleus, and thus it acts as fungistatic effect. These are various antifungal agents which can act their function. Basically it is the mechanism of action. Here this is the ergosterol, which is important for the cell wall synthesis of fungus, and amphotericin B and nystatin attack on the ergosterol, or basically it inhibit the ergosterol formation. Next we already see the graciofulvin inhibit the tubulin formation and mitotic spindles. Flucytosine act here on double stranded DNA, and this all azoles, fluconazole, itraconazole, ketoconazole, miconazole, inhibit the 14-alpha demethylase enzyme, which is useful for conversion of lanosterol to ergosterol, and then finally ergosterol is the cell wall constituent of fungus. Next drug, here we can see the fluconazole. In this we can see the IUPAC of fluconazole. Basic skeleton is propane 2-ol, and this 3 carbon is propane, and at second position of OH is there, and thus propane 2-ol, and on the second position of this propane we can see this attachment, which is the 2,4 difluoro 2,4 difluorophenyl, and on 1 and 3rd carbon 1,3 di 1 and 2, that's what di 1,2,4 triazole group is there, and this triazole moiety is attached from one position to the basic skeleton, thus 1-il. This is the synthesis of fluconazole. In this we can see we use 3-chloro 1,2,4 difluorophenyl propane 1-on, which is emerged with triazole group, and after removing the HCl, this moiety, this H and this Cl, this moiety is attached here, and by using sodium hydride the product is converted into this intermediate group, and after again reacting with this triazole and acidification by HCl, we got the fluconazole.